Hello friends, you are welcome to Safu Baffles TV. Today we are going to learn how to prepare chicken stew step by step in a simple method. So the ingredients that you may need are on your screen. You need chicken, tomato paste, fresh tomatoes, etc. So first you wash your chicken. Then you blend garlic, onion, and ginger and pour it on the chicken, and you add salt. When you pour the blended mixture onto the chicken, you are not going to steam it immediately. Let it sit for about 30 minutes before putting it on fire. Man kam ketre man chese de bekasa yembre. So after letting it sit about 30 minutes, then you steam it or you cook it on fire for about 20 to 30 minutes. After cooking it, there is no need to keep the water on it or the chicken stock. It is not necessary to keep it because the oils are dissolved in the water, so health-wise it is not necessary to keep the water. So the ingredient that we are going to continue with the stew is on your screen. The fresh tomatoes has been blended. So first we are going to fry the chicken, the cooked chicken. You fry it in between 170 to 190 degrees Celsius. Don't overcrowd the chicken, otherwise it will reduce the temperature drastically. So after your chicken turning brown, golden brown, then you put it on plate or you put it aside. We are going to use the same oil, so if it is too much, you pour some aside and use the necessary one, or the quantity that you want. First, you fry the chopped onion in it. Don't let the onion burn. So after frying the onion, you add your blended pepper, garlic, and ginger to it. Then after 2 minutes or 3 minutes, we are going to add the blended fresh tomatoes to it. To get the original chicken taste stew, you've got to add your fresh tomatoes. So after letting the fresh tomato cook for about 15 minutes, we are going to add the tomato paste to it. After it, cover it to cook for about 3 minutes. After stirring it, so the next thing is salt. You add salt to taste. Be careful when adding the salt. Then the nurse stirred rosemary. Rosemary, their natural spice. This is a natural spice that I'm going to use in the chicken stew. There's no need to use cube. Cube is not healthy. Garlic, onion, ginger itself is a spice, so there's no need to use any artificial spice. So after that, you add your chopped pepper, green pepper, and the chopped onion. After another 3 minutes, then you stir it. Then you add your fried chicken to the stew. If you got here, telepa, yambre. Maybe you never come back for me. So after this, lower the temperature and then let it cook on a low medium heat for a long time. After being cooked on a lower heat, your stew is ready. It can be eaten with plain rice or waakye or dorkono or Kenkey or gari or eba or banku or any food of your choice, but mainly it is eaten with plain rice. It goes best with plain rice. Then after that, you've got to get your natural orange fruit juice. I don't like the artificial one sold in the supermarket. We are invited, friends. Thanks for watching.